Boom, baby, we're back here getting backroom access. DVDs are great to sell on Amazon because there's a barrier to entry. A lot of people can't sell DVDs and CDs. So if you guys want to make money selling these, you don't want to go through the process of getting ungated, you can send them to restrictedinventory.com and we will sell them for you. There's a lot of profit. We got a lot of good profitable DVDs over here. Yeah, baby. How much profit is that right there?
32.
$32 profit. The rank's not insane on that. The rank's not the best, but that's good money. But look at all these we got. -$4, yeah, it's no good. These are good here though. Scan a couple of these, man. I check out these Blu-rays. Blu-rays are awesome to look for because people actually still watch Blu-rays. Click on it.
Boom.
Boom, baby, $10 profit. So we got average of anywhere from, we probably $7 profit average in there, and they're gonna sell fast. We got tons of good books back here too. Remember guys, all you gotta do is go to restrictedinventory.com, sign up for an account. You can scan the inventory into our new software. It's amazing, much love. Hope to see you as a customer.